Let's go ahead and open up the driver's side door. Now right over there at the bottom is the primary hood release lever. Pull it. In front of the vehicle, right on top of the Mazda emblem right there, just lift up the hood a little bit and then put one finger right in there and then push it right. So push it right, lift up the hood, and that's the latch we're pushing right on. Now get the prop rod and put it right over there in that slot with the arrow marking it and pull it back a little bit to secure it. Once the hood is open, that's the air box. The filter's inside the air box. We have to undo two clips. First one there, pull it back. Second one right over there, pull that back. Now to lift up the cover up, we have to first focus on getting the three tabs in the back out of the slots. That's 1 and 2 over there, and the third one is right over there on the edge. Yep. Just grab the filter and slide it out of those tabs. 1, 2, and 3. Now it's clear. Now we can comfortably lift up the cover and then just grab the filter from right over there, lift it up and get it out of the air box. Now this is the top side, the clean side. The bottom side is the dirty side. As you can see, all the dirt and particulates are trapped over there. So the way it works is outside air comes from the bottom, all the dirt gets trapped over there, and then clean air from the top goes into the engine. Get the new filter and put it in the air box just the way I'm showing. The new filter should just drop right in position. It should not move once it's in place. Those are the three tabs on the cover, and those are the 1, 2, and 3 slots where it goes in. Let's put the cover back in. So push it in and then push it down. Now let's focus on getting the tabs in place. Be patient with this. Get it in the slot there. That's one. Let's check on the second one. That's good. And the third one is also looking good. At this point, all you have to do is just put the clips back on. First clip is right over there. Just grab it and put it back in position. And the second one is over there. And that's it. To close the hood, push the hood and get the load off the prop rod. Get it out of that slot. Put it back in its place. Lower the hood and slam it shut. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me just give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.